Hi, this is Don McAllister, and welcome to another edition of Screencasts Online. This week's show explores some of the new apps added to Setapp in the recent months, some of which are old favourites of Screencasts Online. Now, Setapp is a fantastic way of accessing over 240 Mac and iOS apps for an affordable monthly subscription. You can sign up for a subscription over at setapp.com or use the Screencasts Online affiliate link screencastonline.com/setapp. If you don't already have a Setapp subscription, all of the apps I'll be mentioning today are also available for purchase on the individual vendor's website or in the App Store. Finally, before we get started, I should point out that this show has not been sponsored or endorsed by Setapp or any of the vendors. We just include them as we think Setapp is a fantastic low-cost way to get access to some incredible apps. Now, a month or two ago, I was due to renew my paid subscription to a VPN service, a virtual private network service, which was due to cost me around $99 for the year. A quick search on Setapp for VPN brought up this option, which is ClearVPN, an application for both the Mac and also for iOS. I had a go, I downloaded it, tried it out, seems great, so I cancelled my other subscription and I'm now using ClearVPN from Setapp. So what I thought I would do is just give you a quick rundown on how to install it on both Mac and iOS, and also sort of discuss some of the services available to you. So I've got it downloaded. Let me just run it for the first time. I need to accept the terms and conditions. You can share anonymous analytics with developers if you want. I'll go ahead and do that. And also, it's currently set to launch on system startup. It doesn't mean that your VPN will be connected straight away. I'll talk more about what a VPN is in a second, but it just means that the application is available and at hand whenever you do want to switch it on. So if we just say continue. Okay, and now we're into the main UI. So before we look at the options within ClearVPN, let's just go through exactly what is a VPN. Well, a VPN is a virtual private network, and it's a tool that allows you to connect to the internet securely and privately. Basically, it creates a private network connection between your device and the internet, encrypting all of your internet traffic and usually routing it through a server located in a different location. Now, this has several benefits in that it makes it difficult for anyone to intercept or monitor your online activities and provides you with the increased privacy and security. There are some other benefits as well, including helping you bypass geo restrictions and access content that may be blocked in your location. So let's take a look at how this is accomplished using ClearVPN. So although it's loaded, it's not actually connected. You can see here VPN connection is currently off. It's picked up that I'm in the United Kingdom and it's showing me my IP address as well, which I'll mask part of it just for security purposes. So there are three options here. There's secure browsing, location changer, and also a streaming access, which is a beta service. Let's take a look at secure browsing first. If I go to settings, so three different options within the settings. There's a thing called online freedom, and that connects to servers in countries with fewer web restrictions. There's a standard connection, which changes your IP address and encrypts the connection, but it might lower your speed. Then there is the option for top protection to connect to servers from the safest countries. It is ad-free, but maybe slow again. Let's just go ahead with the online freedom, which, to be honest, is the one that I've always used up to now. It's going to add some VPN configurations to my Mac, which is fine. We'll say allow. So we'll give that a few seconds to activate, and there we go. It's now connected me to a server in Ireland, and it's given me a different IP address now. I can see here that I'm currently secure browsing, and this will give me a rundown on the amount of time I've been using my VPN. Now, if you click on this flag here, it does allow you to give some feedback. So either the shortcut isn't working, your connection speed is too low, or other. To deactivate your VPN, we just say deactivate, and that will return us back to the UK. Let's just see what happens if I go to the top protection one. That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS-related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.